Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into my first YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this Auburn look, so just stay tuned. So these are the products that you're going to need in order to achieve the look. I'll leave it in the description bar below. So here I just mixed my bleach and developer, and I sectioned the hair track by track and laid it out on a trash bag on my kitchen island, and just separated each row and went in and bleached.
Everything, the one I want, the one I need, the one I trust, the one I keep thinking let's get it laid in your body. It's looking like a tempo. Girl, you're the example.
So I attempted to comb through with my rat tail comb, but that didn't really work out, so I grabbed my brush and that helped me distribute the bleach through the strands.
I'll pick you up, set us for what you want.
Using the same method, I separated each track and bleached section by section up until I got to the lace frontal.
Baby, it's 4 a.m. and you're still on my mind. So maybe if you're up, just call me, and you know that I will be there for you. Yeah. But if you wanna slide through. Yeah. Told you before, I will adore you. You're looking good, yeah. Come over, see what I mean. But if you want it all, then just ask me for it, yeah. I'm talking candlelight, I'm talking every night, I'm talking waking neighbors, talking now and later, talking body language, you don't need to say it, yeah. In your body, it's looking like a tempo. Girl, you're the example. My girl, won't you let me handle you? Finna roll through, pull up in my coupe, hop in, I got room. I'll pick you up, set us for it's up to you. Come on, girl, I got food. Come down my avenue. Why don't you hit me up, baby?
Once I got to the frontal, I separated just little pieces of the frontal and continued with the same method that I had been doing throughout the tracks, just with smaller sections.
Looking like a tempo. Girl, you're the example. Won't you let me handle you? Finna roll through, pull up in my coupe, hop in, I got room. I'll pick you up, set us for what you want to do? Come on, girl, I got food. Come down my avenue. Why don't you hit me up, baby? Just hit me up around it at a time. Baby, it's 4 a.m. and you're still on my mind. So maybe if you're up, just call me, and you know that I will be there for you. Yeah. But if you wanna slide through, yeah. Told you before, I will adore you. You're looking good, yeah. Come over, see what I mean. But if you want it all, then
So I went ahead and washed out the bleach off camera. I made sure to bleach the hair just to this level of brown because I still wanted the hair to be not too light but not too dark at the same time. I also went in my bowl and mixed in my Color Brilliance by Ion in the shade of dark red brown, and I mixed that with 40 developer and used the same method to distribute the bleach throughout the hair.
set us for it's up to you. Come
So when I finished using the dark red brown color, I got this red that I didn't like, so I went in and got the medium ash brown to help cool down the hair color. So this is kind of how the color turned out. I This is really trial and error for me, y'all. So I just put on the medium dark ash brown to really help cool down the brassiness and the redness of the hair to bring more of that auburn brown color with like the red accents and red highlights. So this is what worked for me. I'm not a professional, y'all, but I got the results that I wanted. So if y'all was, try and do that, that's what worked for me. So
Won't you let me handle you? Finna roll through. Pull up in my coupe. Hop in, I got room. I'll pick you up, said it's 4 a.m. What you wanna do? Come on, girl, I got food. Come down my avenue. Why don't you hit me up? Just hit me up around it out of time. Baby, it's 4 a.m. and you're still on my mind. So maybe if you're up, just call me and you know that I will be there for you. Yeah. But if you wanna slide through, yeah. Told you before I will adore you. You're looking good, yeah. Come over, see what I mean. But if you want it all, then just ask me for it, yeah. I'm talking candlelight, I'm talking every night, I'm talking waking neighbors, talking now and later, talking body language, you don't need to say it, yeah. Your body is looking like a temple. Girl, you're the example. My girl, won't you let me?
I also would like to note that I was having a really rough time detangling the lace in the front. I think it's because this hair just went through so much with me trying to get it to the color that I wanted it to be. And this is also a wig that I did revive. The unit had been made and worn previously before I received the unit to style and, bring back to life. So I let that sit in for about like 20 minutes or so, 25 minutes, and went ahead and rinsed out the color, shampooed it, and then conditioned it. With the conditioner, I let the conditioner sit in for about like 30 minutes just to really help the hair come back to life after everything it had gone through for the past 2 days, y'all.
Calling, falling for you. Eloquent, intelligent, evidence that you're more than a pretty face. Suckers the final woman, ain't got time to waste. Shawty, let me come over, grab you by the waist. When it comes to you, everything, the one I want, the one I need, the one I trust, the one I keep thinking. Let's get it laid in your body. It's looking like a temple. Girl, you're the example. Won't you let me handle you?
So after everything was conditioned, I went ahead and rinsed it out and began to blow dry using my brush and my Chi blow dryer, sectioning it again. But at this point, I've kind of already gotten it dry enough and really wanted to go through and get it real good. Get it to a workable, nice, silky place. Also, I used a Chi heat protectant serum while the hair was wet, and that was the only time I applied it. I didn't want to put it in again while the hair was dry to make it all oily and gross. So I will also put that in the description below.
You want it all, then just ask me for it, yeah. I'm I'm talking candlelight, I'm talking every night. I'm talking waking neighbors, talking now and later. Talking body language, you don't need to say it yet.
So once everything was dried, I used my straightener to curl the hair. I ran the straightener through once and then ran it again to, curl it. And then I got this look, y'all. Take a look at my work. I be surprising myself every time. So you guys can go ahead and try this. Let me know how it works for y'all. Take pictures, go out there and prosper, sis, with your Auburn hair. Cause what? Look at this. Who did that? That's all me, y'all. That's all me. So y'all can go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll catch y'all next time.